Embark on a journey to the heart of French Polynesia with the Tahaa Manava Boat Tour. Glide across the shared lagoon of Raiatea and Tahaa, where the most beautiful coral gardens await beneath crystal-clear waters. This full-day excursion promises an intimate encounter with nature's underwater marvels and the island's rich cultural heritage. Imagine snorkeling in the coral garden of Motu, where fearless fish dart close to delighted divers. On land, a visit to a pearl farm reveals the intricate process of cultivating Tahitian black pearls, from grafting mother-of-pearl to harvesting these lustrous gems. Savor a buffet lunch on the Motu, featuring lagoon fish delicacies, and delve into the aromatic world of a family-run vanilla plantation. Your senses will rejoice with fresh seasonal fruits sampled right where they grow. This all-inclusive adventure includes a guided tour, transfers, a Motu picnic lunch with drinks, and fruit sampling. Departing from Pension Manava, the tour operates daily except Saturdays, accommodating a cozy group from 2 to 12 passengers. While the itinerary is subject to nature's whims, rest assured that every aspect has been meticulously tested for your enjoyment. Just remember to wear reef-friendly attire and notify us of any special requirements. Ready to explore more? Raiatea's wonders are just a tour away. Book with a French Polynesia at Far and Away Adventures,